Welcome to Cyber News. Today's special news. In yet another case of cyber fraud carried out under the pretense of offering medical insurance, a retired doctor and his daughter from Mumbai fell victim to the scam, losing a substantial amount of rupees 12 lakh. According to the FIR registered with the local police, the victims, a 90-year-old doctor, C. Call, and a 65-year-old daughter, R. Call, a retired professor from university in Sweden, were deceived into transferring the amount under the disguise of availing medical insurance and coverages. As per the report, R. Call, a resident of Warsaw, received a call from an unknown number. The caller identified himself as Kuldeep Srivastava, claiming to be an official from an ONGC office in Bandra East. He informed her that medical insurance coverage for her father, Dr. C. Call, had not yet been approved. When she asked what needed to be done, the scammer instructed her to download a customer support app, assuring that her father would receive rupees 10 lakh worth of medical coverage. Trusting the caller, R. Call followed the instructions. Once the app was installed, the scammer requested an upfront payment of rupees 1.93 lakhs, claiming it was a refundable processing fee. 2 days later, Dr. Call discovered a shocking debit of rupees 10 lakh from his bank account, transferred to an unknown account without his knowledge or consent. This incident adds to the growing list of cyber fraud cases in Mumbai and highlight the urgent needs for increased digital awareness, especially among senior citizens.